Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just jumping on here tonight to show you a couple of new digitals that I have in my Etsy, or they should be in my Etsy by the time this video uploads. Let me just put it like that. So let me show you, well, this is what they look like when they're put together. Or this is how I've put it together. So you have the backdrop here, there's a pocket. This was like a little piece of ephemera that I decided to use as a front pocket. There's a large tag. And then we have a couple of small tags. And that does not go with it. Those go with the other one, this does. But then you've got some labels and a little ticket. And so it goes like, you know, you can put the labels on however you want to. You can put this in a journal like this. So let me just show you what I have, and then I'll show you how I put mine together. So the first one I have is 4 pages. So let me move these out of the way real quick. Okay. So this is the first kit, and it's kind of William Morris theme. So like this one is the blues. So I just took the different blue stuff and done the blue ephemera. This one's more like the brownish color, and you can see I have like the faux stitching on it. And then we have the green. And then we have the orange, yellow, red. So that's the first one. And then the second one is a botanical. So you see it has the mushrooms on this one. It's got some botanical stuff there. And then we have this one, and this does have some William Morris in it, but it just went so well with that. I love this one. And then this one, it's like the foliage. There's a mushroom card there. So those are the 2 kits. Let me show you how I do mine now, because the paper that I'm using right now, the cardstock, it is not the cardstock I normally use, so it's not that thick. It's like a 90 GSM. I normally use 110. So I have just backed it onto some coffee paper, some coffee dyed paper. And so that will give me a good writing space. And so I've already cut one out, and we can work on putting this together. And as you can see, it's been backed with the coffee dyed paper. So it's got some good journaling area. Now you can use this as a journal card. You don't have to use this as the back of the tag. I'm just going to do that. But you can, you know, use these any way you want to. And you guys know I'm always telling you to think outside the box. So think outside the box and see if there's something different you want to do with them. But I am just going to do just like this so that my mind doesn't have to think anymore tonight. So all I done was just put that back on right there. And I'm wondering, I don't really want to cover that up though. But we could do it like down here. So see, I could put this down here and I could put something on it. I don't know, we'll see. So there's this one here. Now what did I do with the bigger piece that goes to this? I don't know, I probably ate it. So I can just layer my tags in just like this. And then I could, if I find what I've done with the other piece, I bet I dropped it. Oh well. But I could put that piece down here. But since I don't know where it is, we may just do this Oh, there it is. Huh. Okay, guys, I'm with the program. So do we want to do that? Or we could even turn it over and put it on. Let's just go with this, since that's what we done the last time. That's what we're gonna do this time. No sense in changing things up right now. Which I didn't have to back this since I'm gluing it down, but it's okay. And then I'm just gonna glue that down just like that. Well, if I can get my pen, get it back in there. And then I can, you know, just stick these down in there until I decide to do something with them. And there you have it, guys. I mean, that's how quick and simple this kit comes together. There are a few more designs in the works, but they are not done. But I figured I would go ahead and get these out there so you guys could go ahead and start working on these and get these if you wanted to. But yeah, I mean, I think these are a great size. You could make little notebooks out of them. So much you could do. But they're just fun. They're fun to play with, and especially with there being the different styles and the different colors. You can make a tag book out of them. You could take one of these as your front, one of them as your back, and then you can have your tags in there, all different size tags, and like layer them up. There's just a lot you can do with these little kits. So I will put the link to these below. I will make myself get them uploaded before the video publishes, and we will keep working tomorrow hopefully on the other little kit that we've been working on that you know, it takes me a while when I design something, so you know, that's just how it is. But I like it to be, I want it to be the way I want it, you know, even if it takes me a while. So anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.